Hello?
Is small.
Small. Okay. Um, that's kind of tricky because I'm trying to use a tablet and it's not working so well. So, but you can see that you can see the slides okay, right? Okay. So you just have to put up with the small ones until I've figured out this. So I'm your relief teacher today, and I've forgotten how to change from my tablet to my laptop. So we'll just go ahead with the small slides, and um, we'll look at the slides together. But just look at the small ones, please. Okay. All right. So as you know the usual rules, I'm not going to tell you the rules because your normal teacher will have given you all of these rules. Just a reminder, I really like it when you write in the chat. And if you want to ask me something, please raise your hand. Okay. All right. So today we're going to be covering visual text. Yes, somebody's writing in the chat. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So feel free to write something in the chat. I'll just keep the chat box open so I can see. Today we'll be covering visual text, vocabulary cloze, and synthesis and transformation. And if you have, as I said, any questions or you want to make some extra sentences, we can do that too. Okay, so you had your school of dancing. Does anybody here like to dance? Anyone? Yeah? Dancing is great fun. Yes. Oh, not you. Okay, Wei Hong, it's fine. But just now I saw you dancing. It's great to move around and just use your body to music. The best exercise ever. Lots of fun. Okay, so this is the 88T School of Dancing, and they're presenting a dance of hope. Has anybody been to see a dance performance? Anyone? Okay. Um, yeah, this poster looks okay. Yes, Wei Hong, it does look exciting. Just check your spelling of exciting, otherwise it's a bit weird. Okay, check. Um, yes, you mean exciting, I'm sure. I'm sure you mean exciting. So Wei Hong says that it looks exciting. I agree. I'd love to go and see some dance. And when I'm in Singapore, I always go to see dance performances. This is a special dance, though. It's a dance of hope, hoping to help people in aid of the Singapore Cancer Hospital. So helping those poor children and adults who are in the cancer hospital, raising money, raising funds. Super. So we've got the price list there in the table, and we've also got the dates, so you can see very quickly what date, so you don't miss the performances, and you can also get to see the discounts. Wei Hong, it's okay. Let's say I'm going to spell it for you in the chat, and I'll spell it for everyone in the chat because this is how to learn. Maybe, just remind yourself. Okay, I've separated the letters. Can you see X, C, iting, exciting? Yes, exciting. So there's got to be a C, which is pronounced like an S, sighting. Okay, got it, Wei Hong? You'll never forget it now. All right, so as I mentioned, this poster is telling us a lot of things. And we've also got guests of honor, but we don't really talk about that in this exercise. You can see from the picture that it's a kind of wild dance. It's not it's not ballet or anything. It's kind of modern and fun. And also there's a souvenir booth, so you can buy things. So not only go and see the performance, but you can buy things. All right, so now we're going to go to Emmet first. Emmet, could you tell us the answer for read the answer, the correct answer for number 1. The main aim of the flyer is to what, Emmet?
A.
Yes, can you read the answer?
A. Inform people about the fundraising concert.
Yes, thank you. So I guess that was easy for you to choose, right? you could see the other ones were not correct. Yes. For example, for teach people about ballet, there's actually no evidence about teaching people about ballet. So there's nothing to do with that. So that's wrong. Yeah. And to, oopsie. You'll see me do that quite a bit. I'm toggling between my tablet and my laptop. Okay. So there's no evidence to suggest that they are going to be learning ballet. Yeah. Okay. It's my pen at last. So that's wrong. Yeah. Come on, pen. Okay, my pen's very slow today. Right. Okay, so encourage people to come and meet the guests of honor. Huh? No, it didn't say anything about coming to meet the guests of honor. It just said we've got guests of honor. So that's clearly wrong. There's nothing about that in the poster. And promote McRitchie School of Dancing. Well, I know there's a reservoir, is that right? In McRitchie? But I don't think there's any school of dancing at McRitchie. So the poster mentions 88T. So that's not right, is it? Okay. Eesh. Use my arrows, it's easier. Okay, thank you. Caden, could you tell us about number 2? Could you read the correct answer for number 2, please? Caden, are you muted? Yeah, okay.
B.
Yes. Could you read it for us?
The concert is organized by 88T School of Dancing.
Yes, all read. Exactly. It's organized by 88T. Yes, okay. But is it that not true? Can you check? Not true? So we say, which one of the following statements is not true, Caden? And isn't it organized by 88? So make sure that you notice the word not. You know, this is it, not. Can you check again? One of those answers is wrong. Thank you, Emmett.
There are 2 ways through which people can purchase tickets to watch the dance concert.
Okay, all right, Caden. Actually, there are 2 ways. You can either call somebody or you can go online to get the tickets. So I think that's not quite right either. That seems like a correct answer as well. So we can find that in the poster and we can find 88T dancing. So either A or C is wrong. Can you just check? Go back to the poster. Let's go back to the poster. What does the poster say?
It says that it's 11 to 17 March performance.
Yes, that's right.
So I think the A is wrong.
Correct. Yay. So this is the wrong answer. A is the one that is not correct because actually it's being held daily, not twice daily. Okay, well done. Okay, so Wei Hong, can you please take a look at number 3? If you could unmute yourself and read aloud the correct answer. Besides buying a ticket for the ballet concert, you could help raise funds for Singapore Cancer Hospital by... Wei Hong. Yes, can you speak? Wei Hong, I want to hear you read the sentence aloud, please.
A. Definitely.
Interesting idea, Wei Hong. Let's examine your answer. Okay. So early bird tickets means actually it will be cheaper. It will be cheaper. So will that be helping the hospital if we get the cheaper tickets? I think A is not the right one. Can you check again, Wei Hong?
It's too small. It's too small. The poster is too small.
Poster is too small. Yes. Okay, so let's see which part we're looking at.
This is a dancer for.
Can you have a look at this panel here?
Souvenir booth.
Yeah, the souvenir booth. Yeah. What does it say?
Handmade craft items will be available for sale outside the theater at 10:60 March. Pick your favorite item and donate whatever amount you wish.
Right. So this is a donation opportunity, isn't it? So that's where we can make some money for them. So do you think which one?
Partition B. It's B. It's B. B.
That's right. And I see Caden got that too, and Emmet. Right. Okay. So you've got B as your correct answer, because purchasing items from the souvenir booth will give extra dollars to the charity. Extra dollars to the charity. Okay. And I'm just practicing my drawing. I don't know why it's so difficult at the moment. Okay. All right. Visiting the Dance of Hope website doesn't make money for the charity, and calling Miss Ellis on this number does not make money for the charity, but definitely if you buy some items, if you purchase some items, you can make some money for the charity, and they should be nice things as well. I agree the post is small, and I'm sorry, if I can figure it out how to switch views, I will. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so Emmett, number 4. Tommy purchased the family of 4 concert tickets on the 16th of February. So he will be paying how much? Let's go back to the poster. He purchased them on the 16th of February. Take a look at the table. Sorry, could you say the answer again?
D.
D. D. Yes, Emmett, D. Why isn't it 75? Why isn't it A? Why didn't he, how come he couldn't get it for 75? Because there was a price here. It says 75 for 4, family of 4. Who could figure that out? Why is it 75? Why is it 80? Why not 75? Yes, Caden.
Because it is already, it says that 16th February until the end of the show, you have to pay the actual price instead of the early bird price.
You're right. He's too late for the early bird. He's too late for the early bird. He just one day late. And maybe when he calls up and says, please give me the early bird. I want my family to come. But no, it's too late. So the early bird finished on the 15th. So he's one day late. Tough. Okay, you're absolutely right. So he has to pay 80. All right, so we've got our answers, and you just check through again, and good attempts by everybody. Let's move on now to the vocabulary cloze. And this one, we're looking at different words, and this is confusing. So we'll go through and see what we can do to improve our vocabulary cloze. Now, we read the passage carefully. There are 5 blanks numbered 5 to 9, and we have